dream to do this video since I was literally like 10-ish, watching all the influencers unbox what they get in a week as an influencer and all their PR packages. Now I'm so grateful to be able to film that video and share with you guys what I get. So I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let's get into unboxing all these packages. So before I get started, I do want to mention that I have a following on all my social media. So my Instagram has 3,500, my TikTok has 33,000, my YouTube here has 1.2 thousand, I think. So these collabs are from all the different platforms. I'll mention which one I will be working with or why I got them sent from one platform. So yeah, I'm really excited and I don't know where to start. There's so much boxes everywhere, but I'll start off with this side. First, we got a box from Nudge, and basically Nudge is a company that is, and it's an oral care company that is sustainable, which is really important nowadays with kind of, what is it called? With everything being sustainable, it's really important, and I got really excited to work with this company because I've always been stuck to regular toothpaste or regular products and not really thinking of a sustainable way from it, and I'm really happy that this brand reached out to me. So they sent over a couple different products which I'll be showing you guys. So sorry also if this video is really long. I really want to show you guys everything that I got because I'm super excited about this. So first they sent over a toothbrush. Hopefully my camera isn't too far, you guys can see, but yeah. So first they sent over a toothbrush. Oh, they sent over two toothbrushes. These are bamboo toothbrushes. Hopefully you guys can see that, but they are bamboo toothbrushes. I'm excited to start using this. I'm also going to save a lot of my packages for when I move to college, just because I want to have stuff when I move, so I think this is an amazing way to do that. Next, they sent over a tiny floss. Hopefully you guys can see that, but it's literally like the most tiny size ever, and it's comes in this little glass jar, which is really interesting. I never really thought about that. Okay. Then they sent over a toothpaste as well. This one is natural mint, which is really good. I love mint toothpaste. Let's see how it smells. Oh, it smells really good. And everything is sustainable as well as the packaging. So the packaging is sustainable as well. Then they sent over two little cards, of course. And then there's like a lot of packing peanuts. But they also sent over a mouthwash, which is also sustainable and it's concentrated, so it's an organic mouthwash, which I'm really excited to try. I've never seen it in like a dropper bottle. And then at the bottom of the package is a little makeup bag, which it's okay, I'll clean it up after. They sent over a little makeup bag, I guess, to put all this stuff in if I'm traveling or anything like that. So yeah, that's really, really exciting. And I also have a basket here, so I'm gonna empty this basket of products to be able to put like the packing peanuts and stuff, just so it doesn't make a mess. Next package is from Bioclarity, and I am an ambassador for them. So for this month's content, I got their sunscreen for face and body. So I'm really excited to try these. This is their Sun Filter sunscreen with SPF 30. This is for face. And then they have the same natural mineral sunscreen with SPF 30, but for body. I'm really excited to try these just because summer's coming up, and for the past years I haven't really used sunscreen, and I think I really need to start using it. So I'm really excited that I got these products so I can start testing them out and have sunscreen for the summer. But the packaging is super, super cute. I'm literally obsessed with it. This is what the sunscreen looks like. So yeah, I'm really excited to try that, and you guys can stay tuned on my Instagram so I can share with you guys my opinion or my thoughts on all of these products that I get sent in PR. Now we're gonna move on to these boxes because these are the next ones that I have. This box is from Octoly, which is an online platform, and you basically choose the collabs that you want to do with them. So I chose to do a collab with Rituals. Rituals is a body care kind of company. I've done a collab with them before through Octoly as well, and I really love their products, and I was like, I think I should do another one. So they sent over 3 of their products, and this is from their Ritual of Karma line. So they sent over a body spray. I think it's like a body, like shower gel. It's a shower gel. Then they sent over their body lotion, which I love their body lotions, super good. And then they sent over their body scrub, which I use all the time. So Thank you so much to Ritual for sending that over, and Octoly. Next is a PR package from Youth to the People. I feel like this has been like the first official like PR package that's like, I don't know, like I get they're all PR packages, but like organized, like not organized, but I mean like, I don't know, I don't know how to describe it, but basically it looks like something that, you know, a big influencer could get, and I got it, and I'm really, really excited about it. But I love the presentation. I think it's just the presentation of this, but basically it says powerful together, and then it has like this little opening, and when you open it, you can see all the products, which is super exciting, and they have like a little infographic right here about what they sent over. So they sent over their Super Clay Purifying Clear Power Mask, which I'm really excited to try. I've used a lot of their products before, but I haven't tried this mask. And then they sent over this face tool. I think it's to put on the face mask, so that's going to be really useful. And then the next thing they sent over is their Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin. I think it's a face wash, so I'm really excited to try these. This is in a Allure 2020 Chosen product, and in here it has the pump and the face wash. So I'm really excited to try this. Thank you so much to Youth to the People. I literally used their products for forever. When they reached out to me, I was like, oh my god, I literally could not believe it because I love their products. So that's what I got from Youth to the People. Is from Stratosphere. Stratosphere is like an online agency where you can get collabs. And I just got accepted into the program. So from Stratosphere, I got a Ole Henriksen moisturizer, but basically I really like how they organize their stuff. So they have a card kind of representing that you have a TikTok to do with the brand, and then on the back it kind of has like a checklist. This way you're super organized and you know what you have to do. And then plus it's like really packaged, really cute. And then in the middle is the lotion. So this is the Ole Henriksen Balance moisturizer, and I tried this morning. It is so good. I am obsessed with it. Super moisturizing. It smells super good. But this is what it looks like. And then it's like just a dip moisturizer. So I'm really excited to keep using this. I already tried it, so I'm posting a TikTok with it soon, as that is what my collab is with the PR. Another thing I want to mention within opening packages is a lot of people do have the stereotype that it's just like free stuff to be sent, but it is so not. Mostly all the things you get sent is for collabs, and mostly mine is, which means I have to shoot the content. I don't just get it for free. Like I have to exchange it for something, which is like an Instagram or a TikTok or a YouTube video. So I just want to mention that because a lot of people don't think that way. They just think it's like free stuff, which I understand because I also used to think that. This package I got is from Her Campus and Glow Recipes. So they're doing a collaboration together. If you guys don't know what if you guys don't know what Her Campus is, Her Campus is a like community base where you can collab with brands, and it's basically for college students or upcoming college students. So I'm really excited to be working with them, but I'm working with Glow Recipe, and they sent over 2 of their products. They sent over their sleeping mask in watermelon, which I think is one of their most popular products. And then they sent over their watermelon pink juice moisturizer, which I personally love. I've used this for years now. So I love this moisturizer. It's the full version. I used to only buy the mini version because I didn't want to spend so much money. So I'm really excited to have the full version and keep using it. So that's what I got from them. Also super sorry that some of this is like going by fast. It's just, there's not a lot to pretty much explain. Okay, next is from Shop Miss A. So I'm working with them on TikTok, which I'm really excited about. I used to remember seeing Shop Miss A with all the influencers. It's basically a $1 store where you can buy a lot of cute accessories and necessity stuff for $1 only. And I remember there was like a time that it was really popular and I always wanted to shop there, but I never came to shopping it. And they reached out to me for a collab and I was really excited and I said yes, of course. So this is what they sent over. So the last probably products that I have for this PR unboxing is from YesStyle. So I've worked with YesStyle here on YouTube, as you guys seen before. And I got a really big package from them. I'm doing 2 videos with them here on YouTube, but I still want to show you guys what I got from YesStyle. So first I got this really pretty cardigan. It's floral, white, super cute, really excited. This could be good for summer nights or even in the fall. I like shopping in advance, so I don't have to think about it later on. Then I got a pajama set. So this is the top. which is super cute. Look at it. So it's like a blue pinky color, but this is the top, and it's kind of like a set. So that's the top, and then the bottoms are just pajama bottoms. Next, I got these shorts for summer. They're kind of like the long shorts, and I have tank tops and shirts this color from YesStyle, so I'm just gonna pair it with that. But I'm really excited to wear these. I have not bought in shorts like that in a while, especially bright colors. Then I got these shorts as well. These are like a nude color shorts. Hopefully these fit me. I don't know how they will fit, but they're a super cute color, and these are gonna be perfect for the summer. Then I got this tank top in green. It's a really pretty tank top. It has like a scrunch detail in the front. Perfect for summer as well, and it's like a very soft material, so I'm really excited to wear this in the summer. I'm literally gonna say I'm really excited to wear this in the summer because I'm gonna wear all of this during the summer. So next, I got this shirt, which is literally super cute. It's pink and it has daisies, and it's short sleeve. I think they're daisies or sunflowers. I'm pretty sure they're daisies. But this is really cute. Perfect for like a night out during summer. And then I got more scrunchies because, as I said, you can never be out of scrunchies. Having a lot of scrunchies are important. I've never really tried these small ones, so I'm really excited to start using these to see what's the difference between those and the big scrunchies. And then lastly, I got these shorts as well. These are more like baggy, flowy shorts. They're a really pretty nude color. So hopefully these fit me and I can wear them in the summer again because that's all I say. Then I also got another box from YesStyle. So this is another box. And basically, Paola didn't notice that I literally got the same shirt in a different style. Like it's literally the same print and everything. This one's just long sleeve, which I'm pretty sure I can still wear. They're very different in the way of the sleeves and the style, so I'm still really excited to wear this one. Then I got two claw clips. I've been into these claw clips, and I got like a nude pink one, and then I got this green one. Then I got this little sweater vest, which is super cute. It literally gave me Chanel vibes. Look at this, super cute. It's a really thick material, and it's really pretty black and white with the buttons in the buttons in the middle. I'm really excited to wear this. Then I got the really famous tank top that everyone's using right now, which is like this crazy pattern. I don't know what they're called, but it's a really pretty green. It's like a lime green color, and it's a tank top, so I'm really excited to wear this as well. I've never really worn something like this. It's like out of my comfort zone, but I'm excited to wear it. Then I got this skirt, which I'm hoping it will fit me. But it is super cute. It's literally flowers. They're red flowers and the skirt is pink. Look at how cute this is. I'm obsessed with it. Then I got another tank top. I got a yellow tank top like this like a while back from YesStyle, but I loved it so much that I wanted to get a blue one, or another one, so I got a blue one. And these are really comfy and super thick material. I 100% recommend their tank tops. And lastly, from YesStyle, I got this really cute tank top as well. It is florally and knit in yellow, and the flowers are like blue and purple, which is a really pretty contrast. So that's what I got from YesStyle. From YesStyle and another campaign, which is a TikTok campaign, I got some hair products, which I'm really excited for. But basically, I got some pearl products. I think it's a pearl campaign. So I got this pearl necklace. Hopefully it focuses. Then I got these really pretty like heart pearl earrings, which are super cute. Look at these. They're literally pearls. Super cute. And then a set of like pearl head pins. So I have to film a TikTok with these for YesStyle, but I'm really excited for them. I love this little set of pearls. I've never really been a pearl person, but I know they're super in, and I know they'll be in for summer, so I have that ready. And the last two things in this video are from Saturday Skin, and I got their hand sanitizing mist, which I'm really excited to try. I used to have hand sanitizer mix when COVID started. I really liked it. It was very easy to use. And then they also sent over their Brightening Eye Cream. So yeah, that's what I got this week as a micro-influencer. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed me unboxing some PR. But if you guys have any more video requests, please let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!